A US judge has dismissed the sex abuse lawsuit against Britain's Prince Andrew 3 weeks after lawyers for the American woman who filed it reached a deal calling for the prince to make a substantial donation to his accuser's charity and declare he never meant to malign her character. US District Judge Lewis A. Kaplan on Tuesday signed court papers dismissing the August lawsuit after lawyers on both sides asked him to do so earlier in the day. The judge had given them until March 17 to complete the deal, or he would set a trial date. The lawsuit cannot be refiled. Set to declare flood crisis a national emergency. Prince Andrew pays settlement to Virginia Givere, judge asked to end case. The lawyers revealed 3 weeks ago that they had tentatively agreed to a settlement in which the prince would donate to Virginia Giuffre's charity and make the declaration about her character. Prince Andrew strenuously denied Ms Giuffre's allegations after she sued him, accusing the British royal of sexually abusing her while she travelled with financier Jeffrey Epstein in 2001 when she was 17. Ms Giuffre, 38, reached the settlement with Prince Andrew after the judge rejected his bid to win early dismissal of the lawsuit earlier this year. In a letter to the judge last month from Ms Giuffre's attorney David Boyes, a statement was included that said, in part, Prince Andrew intends to make a substantial donation to Ms Giuffre's charity in support of victims' rights. Prince Andrew has never intended to malign Ms Giuffre's character, and he accepts that she has suffered both as an established victim of abuse and as a result of unfair public attacks. Sydney Harbour turns brown. Giuffre, 38, reached the settlement with the Duke of York after the judge rejected the prince's bid to win early dismissal of the lawsuit earlier this year. According to the statement, Prince Andrew acknowledged that Mr Epstein trafficked countless young girls over many years and said the prince regrets his association with Mr Epstein and commends the bravery of Ms Giuffre and other survivors in standing up for themselves and others. He also pledged to support the victims of sex trafficking as part of demonstrating his regret. In a statement on Tuesday, Mr. Boyes said the settlement was an important step, but it should not be the last step in holding Jeffrey Epstein's enablers and participants to account. A lawyer for the prince declined comment. Prince Andrew pictured with Virginia Givere. The Associated Press does not typically identify people who say they are victims of sexual assault unless they choose to come forward publicly, as Ms Giuffre has done. The settlement stopped the lawsuit before the start of evidence gathering, including depositions, that would have forced Prince Andrew to answer questions posed by attorneys.